Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do another review video, and today I'm reviewing the NYX, we're reviewing the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Liquid Foundation. This Little Beauty is £6, and I just thought, I came across it looking for something that I could use on a daily basis, and I was quite surprised with the price, so I thought I'd do a review for you guys to show you what's up. So I've never used a NYX foundation before, so this was all a first to me. But anyway, yeah, let's get stuck in, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I just primed my face with my favourite primer as per usual, the Kat Von D Lock It primer, and it's almost finished because I love this thing so much. I actually put it in my face and wear it like a moisturiser. So I'm just going to go in and colour correct my face. I'm going in around my mouth area because that's one of the places that I like covering up, because it's not very dark, but I notice it. So my boyfriend actually thinks I look pretty even without makeup. I'm weird, just like I always see these imperfections that no one else sees. So I'm going in underneath my eyes as well, and this concealer is really good. I've actually been using this for a while, and I really love the consistency of it, and it's very easy to work with as well. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna go in my beauty blender and blend that in, bring that into my skin, and then it's all done. Now I'm just gonna go in with the foundation. So this foundation apparently is meant to be really good for oily and combination skin, which is why I actually took it up, picked it up. So I'm just gonna go and use this. I'm just gonna dab a little bit of the foundation there, and then just work that into my skin, going in with a beauty blender again, dabbing that in there. And the consistency of this foundation looks really like, doesn't look very runny at all, and it feels very good on the skin. And again, it's just very easy to work with. And look, I've just put a tiny little bit on the palette. I'm just going to work that into my skin to see if it's buildable, because I think this foundation actually might be buildable to high coverage. But yeah, I'm just going to dab that in, cover up my face. Look at that, it's just so easy to work with, and it just blends seamlessly. Thing is that it feels that a little goes a long way, but it's a little bit oily, but we're going to try and work to make sure, use a powder just to set that in. It was £6, guys, a £6 foundation, and I actually didn't even know. I actually have never used a NYX foundation before. I've used the eye pencil, like I forgotten what it's called now, but I've used that the eyebrow pencil I've used, and I've used, what else have I used of this? Oh yeah, I used their face wipes, and the face wipes were really good. And I finished that in like a week because I wore so much makeup. I just finished it. But their makeup wipes were really good, incredibly good, but they were just way too expensive, because I just thought I think they were £4 or something, and they didn't last me that long. And I bought the one from Primark, and it lasted me like 2 weeks. Actually not 2 weeks, maybe more than 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm just gonna go back in and add a little bit more, because I've just finished the other one that I put in there. So I'm just gonna go back in there, add a bit more for layer, because I can still see the colour corrector on my skin. And obviously I don't want to be walking around with an orange patch around my mouth and my forehead. It's not a good look. I don't want to start the new trend of walking around with orange patches around people's faces, you know. But it's very easy to work with. I love foundations that are so easy to work with, and it doesn't actually dry that quickly, so you can take your time to enjoy putting on your makeup on your face, and it just covers up all the things that I want to cover up. And coverage is good. Coverage is very good. The colour actually, I wouldn't say it's perfect because it makes my face look really red, but for £6, I think usually with foundations I tend to I'm in between shades, so I usually have to mix a lighter colour with a darker colour like this one for me to get my perfect shade, because usually, like, I don't know, with some foundation I just feel like some brands, not naming names, but they just go for one shade. They just think that all dark skin tones have warm undertones, and I've got cool undertones rather than warm undertones. So which is why, like, most foundation looks really red on me. But with the Kat Von D one, oh my god, I love that foundation so much. I keep mentioning it. But yeah, I love that foundation so much. But yeah, with this one, I'd actually say that it's not perfect, but it's not too red. I'm actually using redder foundation than this. So yeah, look, it's all covered up, and yeah, everything is covered. My forehead is covered, my neck is covered. That's one layer all done. My face, I got a big face. I think I need to put more squirts on the, not squirts, more foundation on the palette. But anyway, this is just one layer, and I'm just gonna try and see if I can build up to high coverage. Just gonna dab a little bit more in there. I actually get bored doing makeup, to be honest. Like, I have to be in the mood to do it. If I could walk around in the street for like go to work and not wear foundation, I'd be completely happy. But again, don't want to be scary little kids walking around the street. I'm gonna be pointing, "Mummy, look, there's a scary woman coming towards me." So I put on foundation to cover up all my imperfections. Yeah, I'm not saying I'm scary, I don't know, but I might be scary. Well, yeah, that's I'm just gonna work that in and stop talking shit. It's a dream to work with, to be honest, so I can't complain. And I think that should be more than enough. It looks like it's actually I'm gonna try and see if I can cover all the pores on my nose. I'd say that's it. I'd say, yeah, I would say it's all done. And there's still a little bit left on the palette as well, so I didn't actually use all of it. But I would say, like, the consistency is really good. It's really easy to work with. The colour match is not so good, but I would say for colour match, I would possibly give this a 3. For coverage, I would possibly give this a what would I give this? Let me look in the mirror again and check this out so I can actually decide properly. So for coverage, I would give it a 3 as well, because it's not very full coverage compared to other foundations that I've used before. So I'm going to give this a 3. And for the other two, I'm going to test it out. For transferability, I'm going to test it out, and I'm going to test it out. So now I'm just going to go and set my face and do my concealer. Not do my concealer, put my concealer on my face, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the end products. And also there's one more surprise that I need to show you guys at the end. So that is just going to help me tie up everything. So I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere, stay there, because I know where you live. I'm coming for you. So just a note, I haven't actually put anything else on my face apart from I've added some concealer and I've highlighted my face, but the foundation is actually still on my face. I haven't amended it. I've just, like I said, contoured my face a little bit and added concealer. I also wanted to sorry. So basically, I've just realised this after using this makeup, that it actually oxidizes very quickly, which I hadn't noticed before. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and test the transferability right now after I go and do my normal stuff, my run-in, and then come back, and then yeah, I can test it on camera so that you guys can see that it's not or it is or isn't transferable. So I couldn't be bothered to go running because I'm a lazy git. I'm just gonna test transferability. So I'm just gonna try and remember where I think the foundation is. This is really weird. I think under my neck I didn't put concealer on there. So it actually transfers and it's very visible. So if you can see that, it was white. I'll try that bit. It was white, and then let's see if it goes dark. Yep, it goes dark. So I actually set this foundation with my compact powder, my compact powder, which I usually use, which I use daily to set my face. So, but yeah, again, it's transferred, but that's expected really, because most foundation transfer is not 100% transfer proof. I'm gonna go into my forehead now and try and see if it transfers. Yeah, again, it transfers. It's gone dark. But yeah, so I'm gonna say for this one, for transferability, I'm gonna give it a 2.5 because it transfers on the cotton pad. So sorry NYX, you get a 2.5. And durability, I'm gonna give this a 3.5 again, because it doesn't last me the whole day. I can see cracks falling through the cracks, not falling through the cracks, I can see the cracks at the end of the day. So it's not 100%, it's not 24-hour wear foundation. I don't even think it's 24-hour wear. I actually never read the it says this one is oil-free, water-based, full coverage. Actually, see, full coverage. I didn't even read this because I'm a stupid git. Full coverage, mineral enriched matte finish. I can actually agree that it does give a matte finish. Oil free, no thanks. It is not oil free, because when I put it on just now, you just saw my face go like really oily. Water based, I don't know what that means. What does that mean? And then it says it's full coverage. The coverage, I would say, is not full coverage, because I've used full coverage foundation before, and when they've said it's full coverage, it comes off as full coverage. Maybe I haven't built it up properly, but for me personally, I would not say this is full coverage. But yeah, that's basically it. So for durability, I'm gonna give this a 3.5 because it does last me the whole day, but I tend to see cracks appearing at the end, and my wrinkles, not my wrinkles but my smile lines, they call them, the cracks underneath my eyes, basically, they start appearing. And yeah, as you can see right now, yeah, my cracks have already started appearing. And I do like my smile lines, but I don't like seeing them sometimes, because sometimes when you wear foundation, you want everything to be covered, you don't want to see any expression in your face. But yeah, for this one, I'm gonna give it a 3.5, I'm afraid, NYX. Overall, I'm gonna give the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Liquid Foundation a 3. I'm really sorry guys, but I love this foundation. It's very inexpensive and it's very easy to work with. I didn't like the fact that it oxidizes quite so easily. It goes really dark. So 3 is a very respectable score, bearing the fact that this is only £6 compared to other ones that are 26, 27, 35 pounds. I would say it's very, very good. It just failed in areas that I personally would find the UGG foundation, for me, should have. So this one didn't really have it. But I would use it again because it's an everyday. I actually use this every day on my face as my work foundation, because I wear it on very light and it's buildable as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm really sorry it sort of became across a very negative video at the end. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to support me, and leave a comment in the description bar below to tell me of any other things that you want me to do, any other reviews as well you like me to do. and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.